कार का टायर प्रेशर चेक करने के होते बिकॉज स्टीयरिंग थोड़ा हार्ड हो रहा था. सो वी थॉट मे बी इट्स द टायर्स. वी स्टिल इन टैंगी. दादा पेट्रोल का क्या रेट है? 103 रुपये है. गाइस ओडिशा में पेट्रोल 103 रुपये है. सो डोंट वरी, एवरीवेयर इज द सेम प्राइस. Finally reached the Chilika Lake and now we're going for a boat ride. It's a 1.5 hour boat ride and they're charging 1200 rupees from us. So let's enjoy the ride. And they have put posters here of different migratory birds. I'll just show it to you. We might be lucky to find some migratory birds which we haven't seen before. All migratory birds from Siberia, and they come usually this season. Just talking to the boatman, as per him, in March these guys also go to another places to earn their living, and in March they go to कौन सी जगह जाते हो? Kerala. They go to Kerala and all, Hyderabad. ये भाई हमारा, this guy is going to catch fishes. A nice boat. We just went from this side. And ये fishes के लिए था ना net? There was a fish net. Finally we are out of the Chilika Lake and we just came outside on the main road from the village and we all were very hungry, so we just stopped at a dhaba called Samrat Dhaba. This is the place where we're going for lunch.